has a favorite window on the side where the ivy grew, where the morning yawns in lavender and the curtains still smell like you. It doesn't tap on any glass, not every pane will do, but this one it remembers, and the rain remembers too. It plays its tiny drumbeat only when no one sees, tells stories in the splatter and secrets in the breeze, like a letter never written but soaked through with what's true. Rain has a favorite window, and today it looked for you. It traced a crooked love note down the frame we never fixed, paused where the paint was peeling like a kiss the sky had missed. The neighbors never notice the symphonies it keeps, but I hear rain composing while the world just sleeps. It plays its tiny drumbeat only when no one sees, tells stories in the splatter and secrets in the breeze, like a lullaby in Morse code of someone passing through. Rain has a favorite window, and today it whispered you. It knows where to land, knows where I stand, knows how I breathe when I miss your hand. No storm or sun can take its cue. This glass was made to echo you. It plays its tiny drumbeat on the sill